Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about API authentication by explaining what API authentication really means, why it is important, and then we will look at some common authentication methods like basic authentication, token-based authentication, and OAuth. So let's dive in and understand how authentication keeps API safe and efficient. Thank you. So, what is API authentication? API authentication is simply the process of verifying the identity of a user or system that is trying to access an API, which ensures that only authorized users can interact with the API and helps protect sensitive data. Now, let's move on to our next page to see why API authentication is important. Why is authentication important? Without authentication, anyone could access your API, potentially leading to data breaches, unauthorized data manipulation, and other security risks. Moving on to our next page, on where we talk about the three common authentication methods. These are the three common authentication methods that we have. Number one, basic authentication. Number two, token-based authentication. Number three, OAuth. On our next page, I will be explaining them one by one. The first one, basic authentication. This is one of the simplest forms of authentication. It involves sending a username and password with each request. It is easy to implement. It is not very secure on its own because credentials are often sent in an encoded form rather than encrypted. So let's move to the second one, which is token based authentication. This method involves issuing a token after a user logs in. This token is then included in the header of subsequent requests. This is more secure than basic authentication and allows for stateless scalable authentication. So OAuth, which is the last but not the least. OAuth is widely used framework that allows third-party applications to access user data without exposing their credentials with the use of an access token. I really appreciate you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.